Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So welcome to 2021. I am so happy that 2020 is over. It was a year for the books. The pandemic, the stock market crashing, all of the above. I'm just glad that it's behind us and we can finally move forward. So if you're here on this page, that basically means that, you follow me on Twitter, you've seen me or heard me on Instagram, and you've probably been in one of my rooms on the Clubhouse. For those of you that don't know me, I'm 31 years old and I stay in South Carolina, and I'm a stock market investor. I actually invest in the stock market, the real estate, and I have a host of small businesses. I actually started my trading journey when I was 16 years old, or at least that's when I was introduced to the stock market. And then from there, it just grew over time. Like I said, I invest in real estate, I invest in the stock market, and a host of small businesses. And along the way, I've made a whole lot of mistakes. And those mistakes actually help me to grow. So I want to be that person you guys go to when you have questions so that you don't make the same mistakes I did when I got started in the stock market. But the first thing I want to debunk is that you have to have thousands and thousands of dollars in a high level of education in order to get started in the stock market. Let's just be honest, guys. That's not true. You don't need into that stuff. You can actually start investing in the stock market with minimal money, and you don't have to have a high level of education. So this channel is going to be geared in the beginning towards beginners. I know that everybody on here has different levels as far as investing goes, but I actually want to take it back to the basics because some people don't even know how to open a brokerage account, and I want to be the person to show you how. So 2021, we're going to take you guys on this trading journey, on this generational wealth building journey, and make sure that you have all the tools you need in order to succeed. So if this sounds like something that's going to be beneficial to you or somebody that you do know, go ahead and share this page, like this page, and then turn on the notifications and subscribe down below so that every time we decide to upload some content, you guys will be first to be notified. And besides from that, if you have any questions or you need help with anything, go ahead and link them down in the comments so we can get started on making content tailored directly to you. Other than that, guys, this was just a small intro video so that you could see me, I could see you, and welcome you to our channel. Other than that, that's all I got, guys. Let's have an amazing day. Let's have an amazing night. Let's have an amazing year. And remember, you can never go broke taking profits. Welcome to the gang. Stocks to freedom. Have a great day.